Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Still on setting up your business's online presence. We look at website, social media, which we started with a Google Business Profile and Facebook. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up an Instagram business page. There are billions of users on Instagram, still owned by Facebook, and people go on Instagram when they want to make decision about what they want to buy with looking at images, watching videos. And as a business owner, this is an opportunity you can't afford to miss. With an Instagram business page, you can run targeted ads to select specific type of people within specific location and be able to reach them with your product and services. So let's dive in. The first thing you need to do if you are using a mobile phone is to get the Instagram application installed on your phone. If you are using Android, you go to your Google Play Store and download Instagram. If you are using iPhone, you go to App Store and get Instagram app installed on your phone. So I already have Instagram installed on my phone. The only thing I need is to open and create an account. While if you are using a web browser, whether you are using your mobile web browser or you are using a desktop computer, you go to your browser search bar and type instagram.com. If you don't have an account, you click on sign up and key in your details. You can choose to use your mobile number or email to create an account. If you already have an account, you can just click on login to enter your mobile number or username and password and get into Instagram. Once you are in Instagram, you will have a personal account created for you, meaning it's considering you as an individual. So you have to go and convert it to a professional account, which will give you business features. So on my mobile phone here, I'll click on this icon from the bottom right corner of my screen that has my profile picture. Then from the top right corner, I have this hamburger menu that has these three bars. I'll click on it. Then I'll scroll down. And click on account type and tools. So once I go there, I can click on switch to a professional account, meaning I already have a personal account created for me. Then I will click on switch to professional account. I'll be prompted with some information. With a professional account, I can access insights, see what content is getting the most attention and the best times to post. I can run ads, as I mentioned earlier. You can get your content in front of more people and bring them to your profile or website to drive brand awareness and sales. You can also get paid. You can earn money when you become eligible for features such as bonuses and subscriptions. So let's click next. So in this case, let's scroll. We can choose a category that best describe our business. So we can select. So let's say in this case we are a technology company. So let's see if we have technology. Okay, so let's go for tech. You can choose to display it on your profile or you can just ignore. So let's proceed and click on switch to professional account. So you can choose either it's a business or a creator. So in this case, I will just leave it as a business. You can choose any that best describe your business, and you can even decide to switch back later. So let's proceed next. So you can also decide to connect to a Facebook page. If you remember, we created a Facebook business page as well. So you can choose to integrate your Facebook business page and Instagram business page. Instagram and Facebook are owned by the same company, Meta. So it all depends on what you want to achieve. So in this case, I'm going to skip. Okay, set up your professional account. You now have a professional tool. So let's connect with your audience on Instagram. So you can go ahead to navigate around all these things to read and see what it means. So you can get inspired, see what other professionals are doing so that you can learn from them. You can get verified with a badge. You can grow your audience by inviting friends, and you can introduce yourself. You can tell Instagram your goals so that they will help you target specific audience. I hope you found this video helpful.
If you do, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new video. You can also check my next video on how to set up a LinkedIn business profile. LinkedIn is a social media platform where you meet professionals, corporate bodies, and more.